Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and welcome to my channel The English Planet. Today in this video we're going to learn the word congratulate. As it is a verb, so it has three different forms. First form is congratulate, second form is congratulated, and third form is also congratulated. The pronunciation of this word is same in British and American both, and the meaning of this word is to wish someone for something great or special they have done or achieved. I hope you understand. If I talk about the structure, so it is congratulate someone on something. I hope you understand. And don't forget to add ing if you are using a verb. Now we're going to look at some simple and easy examples to understand the meaning better. So the first sentence is, did anyone congratulate Emma on winning the race? So you can imagine there's a person named Emma and she just won the race, and this other guy is just confirming, like, did anyone congratulate her or not? I hope you understand. Now the second sentence is, we all congratulated Monica on becoming a professor. So you know how hard it is to become a professor, and Monica has just become a professor and everybody is happy about it. So now the third sentence is, they are congratulating me on buying a new house. So you know this thing that buying a new house is a very big deal, and when somebody buys a new house, then everybody else who knows the person, everybody congratulates that person. So that was the third sentence. Now the fourth sentence is, John always congratulates others on their success. So John is a very kind person, and whenever somebody gets any success or the person achieves anything in his or her life, John definitely goes up to them and then he congratulates them on achievements and success. I hope you understand. Now the fifth and the last sentence is, yesterday we all congratulated Joe on successfully completing 2 years in the organization. So Joe is a person who has been working in the organization for the last 2 years, and recently he completed his 2 years, and everybody else is very happy about it and they are congratulating him. So these were some examples of the word congratulate as a verb. Now we're going to learn how we can use the word congratulate as an adjective, that is congratulatory, as a noun, that is congratulations, and also the word congrats, which is a short form of congratulations. So first word is congratulatory, and the first sentence is, today I received a congratulatory email from my family. So you can imagine that the person has achieved something in his life, and everybody else who knows, like his relatives and his family members, they are sending him congratulatory emails to congratulate him. I hope you understand. And the second sentence is, we will send him a congratulatory email tomorrow. So you can imagine that there is a person and he works in an organization. So maybe recently he got promotion or something achieved in his organization. So that's why other colleagues are going to send him a congratulatory email the next day. I hope you understand. Now the next word is congratulations, and this is a noun. And the first sentence is, congratulations on passing high school. So you can imagine that there is a child and he just completed his exams and he passed. So his family members are really very happy and they are congratulating him. Now the second sentence is, congratulations on winning the first prize. You know how hard it is to get the first position in a competition, and that's why everybody else is congratulating him on his success, on his achievements. I hope you understand. Now the third and the last word is congrats, which is a short form for congratulations, and nowadays everybody is using this word a lot. Now the first sentence is, congrats on your marriage. So there's a couple, they recently got married and everybody is congratulating them. Now the second and the last sentence is, congrats on learning the use of the word congratulate. So this video was on how to use the word congratulate as a verb, as an adjective, also as a noun. So I hope you have learned. That's why I'm congratulating you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please do it and give this video a thumbs up, and also please write some sentences using the word congratulate in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.